It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the house of Narciso Rodriguez with Eau de Parfum Cristal. You all, Narciso is the king, and I mean that wholeheartedly, the king of musk. And he does use, if I'm not mistaken, I believe he uses Francis Kurkdjian as his perfumer for a lot of his fragrances. I don't recall if Francis was the perfumer on this one, but I did. You can see I already opened this. I couldn't wait to smell it because I love Narciso poudree. I smelled that, and that is my favorite Narciso fragrance. But look at the bottles. For display purposes alone, Narciso has beautiful bottles. Look at this. This looks like an art piece. I love the design of his bottles. Oh my goodness. This also is a great paperweight. Something to adorn your desk if you like. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely beautiful. All of his bottles are beautiful. I haven't seen one bottle of his that I did not like. However, no matter how beautiful the bottle is, it's all about the scent and perfumery, right? So let's see what it smells like. Atomizer gets really good coverage. I don't know if you can see how much one spritz got. It covered about 2 to 3 inches of my arm here. You can see the glistening, or maybe you can't. I don't know if my camera picks it up. But while this is drying, let's talk about the notes. Freesia, orange blossom, bergamot, musk, white flowers, rose, jasmine, cashmere, cedar, amber, and benzoin. Y'all know me and jasmine do not get along. However, I'm not picking it up, luckily. I'm still getting a little bit of the alcohol, so it's not completely dried down yet. And it's powdery, but it's sexy. There are very few fragrances that I like that are powdery. This one I would have to say is one of them that I do. It's nice. It's nice, but it's not memorable enough for me to keep. It smells a lot like many of the other powdery fragrances. I think I still would prefer a Narciso poudree over this one. But this is nice. If this is musk, the musk is heavy. That's what it is. It's the musk. The musk is heavier in this one. And this is almost a borderline dirty musk. So it's very mature. I would recommend this fragrance for someone who is over the age of 50. I do not recommend it for someone under the age of 50 unless you are a male. This is not very feminine in the regard of bubbliness. So if you're looking for something bright, this is not that. This is for somebody who's established, got it together, has been in their career for some time, not looking to hop around, is pretty stable. This fragrance says stability. This is for the woman or the man who spends a lot of time at home. And by that, I mean someone who does not have to go to work. This says, I'm retired. I don't have to answer to anybody. So it's kind of like a more mature boss-like fragrance. This one is, I'm not there yet. It's not for me. That musk is a little too musky. The musk is musking. This fragrance. And musk loves me. However, this amount of it, this concentration of it is a bit too much. It's powdery too. It's a little bit more powdery than I'd like it to be because I already have a low tolerance for powderiness. Not bad, but I would say this way, it may smell better on a man. Pink bottle aside, gentlemen, do not be averse to trying this. If you are someone who has a chemistry that likes powdery and muskiness, go for it. This is really nice. However, it's not for me, but it could be for you, again, if you have that type of chemistry. But let me know, what is your favorite Narciso fragrance? Because I love the poudree. Right now, that's the only one that I like enough to own. I don't own it yet. I'm still on the fence. I'm going through my collection to see what it is that I need. When you have a large collection, you don't want to do too many duplicates or too many similar scents because you get bored even that much more quickly and you just don't go through them at all. So I want to make sure that I have things that I'm using. So while this is nice, it's not for me and I won't be keeping it. But doesn't mean I don't like it. And until next time, I am Margarita and you have an awesome day. Bye.